Good morning, everyone. Morning for me. I literally just crawled out of bed, but welcome to my channel, Nails in Orbit. Today we are going to be doing Gary from SpongeBob. So first I'm going to start off with the acrylic just really quick. These are my sister's nails, by the way. She's doing Gary on one hand and then another set on another hand, which you guys will see in the next video. But first we're going to start with the acrylic. So I basically took the colors of Gary. I took pink, a little bit of purple, like a teal and a green is kind of the inspo I was going for. I didn't use like you could see like the red or the orange in the eyes. I didn't use any of that. I just wanted to use little cool tones. And then what else? Oh yeah, so I just used my Amazon glitters. So the tiny glitters and then the bigger glitters, I will post them both down below. I always use those for my custom glitters. And then I added these little floral flowers because they kind of reminded me of the little flowers in the sky on SpongeBob. So I thought they were perfect. So you guys can see me adding the glitter, and then I'll show you guys one nail to cap, and then we will start Gary. And if you guys like character art videos, don't forget to subscribe because I post like at least 2 a week, so stop on by. It's very fun over here. We will do all the characters, and you let me know if there's a character you want to see, and I will do it. So subscribe, like, comment, and come join us with this character art. Ooh. All right, now we're going to begin Gary. So first we are color blocking all our colors. For all the color blocking, I usually use D&D gel polish. You can get it at like any nail supply store, and I'm sure you can order it online too, but they have a huge selection too. But anyway, I usually mix all my colors to get the exact color that I want, and then I just put them on a palette, and that's what I'm working from. And then all the line work, I use Nails by Dev liner gel. So that's what I'm using. And then the brush I'm using right now is a 9mm brush from Nails by Dev as well. And then now we're just color blocking everything. I wanted to be able to see, like, obviously Gary's like whole face and his cute little smile because this picture was so funny to me. We almost chose this picture. Let me throw it in because it was so funny and cute. But yeah, so first I'm color blocking everything, and I wanted to show at least like a third of his shell and then mostly his eyes and mouth, because last time I did Gary on my sister, I don't think I have a picture of it, but it was like the smallest little Gary and Patrick and SpongeBob, and they were so tiny. But this time I wanted to like zoom in on it a little bit, and you could still tell it's Gary clearly, but you know. Love the smile, so cute. So you can either do it the way that I did it with just like the small brush and a swoop and just get a little bit more product than you would if you're like doing line work. You just do that and do a good swoop, or you could do two tiny dots at each end and then connect it. So it's really up to you. I just decided to use my brush today. And now of course I'm doing the daughter tool with the eyes. Daughter tool, best friend besides the brush, obviously, when you're doing character art. I used to use the daughter tool for almost everything, and now I've moved on to using the brush for a little bit more because I was just more comfortable using the daughter tool. I feel like the daughter tool is so helpful, especially for beginners. I think the daughter tool is just amazing. So now we're just filling in the rest of the color, and we'll move on to the line work in just a sec. Line work time. Line work brings the character to life. I love doing the line work. It's very fun. Again, I'm using Nails by Dev Baddest Black Potted Gel. I absolutely love it. It's very pigmented, and the thickness of it is perfect for line work. And the way that you don't get pooling on your brush, you just dip into the pot, wipe like a bit onto your palette, you know, and then get it all coated on your brush, but not like drooped at the bottom. And then you have these lines and it looks good, and you don't have to worry about the thickness varying. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then you just outline everything that you need to outline. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so circles are always a challenge, but I kind of just like to do them portion by portion. You can do them by quarters, you can do them by thirds. It's really up to you, like how you do them. This one I did kind of like in a 3 because the other eye overlaps onto this one. And then, yeah, I would just do it in portions instead of trying to do a whole, you know, circle. So you guys can watch how I did that. This one was kind of like a quarter slash third. Okay, so as you can see, not all lines are perfect, so I'm just going in with my D&D of those same colors and just perfecting a few spots. That's what's kind of nice. D&D is so good. It's so like opaque. Yeah, opaque. And you can just fix it up pretty easy like that. So don't worry if some of your lines are messed up, you will be able to just paint over them. And then here it is, Gary, top coated Gary. But thank you guys so much for watching. Here is the reveal coming up. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. This was a short one today. We do have lots of longer ones, but she just wanted one character. She didn't want bubbles, flowers, or nothing. So one little Gary it is. All right. See you guys in the next one. Bye.